3S, subscriber session steering. Well, that's a big project here at the Broadband Forum, but there's an open source project that's relatively new. Hagen, why don't you take us through OB Steer and what it means for the industry and why it's important?
Okay, OB Steer is recently approved, let's say a couple of months ago. We got the approval for this new child in the family of OB project, of Open Broadband projects. The code base that forms the initial drop for this software project has been developed mostly by us, BISDN, over the past 2 years as part of the innovation demonstrations. We wanted to show the use of the subscriber session steering, which is a major tool. When you go to wholesale subscribers, you may want to move entire families of user sessions from one subscriber to another, from one gateway to another. And this is what subscriber session steering is about, steering layer 2 traffic in the access network. So we had all this code. The main purpose of it is, as the IETF says, is rough consensus in running code. So we like to build code in order to understand how things work. Ultimately, truth is in the code, and people can read code and understand, and there's less, let's say, different interpretation of what code does. Therefore, it helps to build documents that explain how things work based on running code. So OB Steer at the moment runs on a proposal, which is an initial drop, but we are urgently looking for collaborators, for people to work with us to turn this initial code drop that can rot forever on GitHub or turn into something very useful. And really this depends on all of us and those companies who would be working with us.
And as an industry, it is something that you really just need to sign the participation agreement, right? How do you get involved?
Yeah, you need to sign the participation agreement, which mainly is about open source, adhering to an open source license. But that is it. And then we're just about starting, meaning we will be, there's more to an open source project than just having code somewhere. You want to do joint planning, you want to do joint code development. And all of that needs to create a community. So this is where we are at the moment, starting to invite people, and we're open to everyone. So please contact me.
Well, excellent. And we'll make sure we have your contact information on there. And plus, we also have your great blog post that talks more about this. So we'll reference that in the video. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.